Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you guys so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shoutout, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, and comment down below #ChillificationSquad once you've done that. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make the Charli Drink from Dunkin Donuts. In my last video, I reviewed the drink, so if you guys would like to check that out, it'll be linked down below in the description box. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first ingredient that you need is some cold brew coffee. In the next clip, I will show how to make this. So right over here, I have my homemade cold brew coffee. And the way I made this is I just took some ground coffee, put it in this jar, and put water in it, and then I put it in the fridge for 24 hours. Now I'm gonna filter it. So right over here I have a coffee filter and I'm gonna put it right here. And now I'm gonna take a rubber band to secure it. So right over here I put the filter on. By the way, if you don't wanna make your own cold brew coffee, you can just buy it from the store. So I'm gonna pour the coffee mixture into the filter, into the cup. Pour it slowly. Okay, and now it's filtering. Keep pouring it. I have to pour it and then you have to wait a while so that it doesn't overflow. It kind of takes a lot of time to filter out the coffee, so you're gonna need some patience. So here is the filtered cold brew coffee. You can't see it that well, but here it is. Most of the drink is made up of cold brew, so I'm gonna pour in some. Okay, I'm just gonna pour all of it. It's almost the whole cup. Next, you're gonna need some caramel syrup. I'm using the brand Smucker's, and it is like a sundae syrup. Right here, I'm taking a spoon, and I'm just gonna put some in. This is about a tablespoon. And then I'm just gonna stir that up until it's dissolved in the drink. Also, don't be afraid if the caramel kind of lightens down the color of the drink. I don't think it's sweet enough, so I'm gonna add in a drop more of the caramel syrup. Okay, that should be good. And then you're gonna add in some whole milk. I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons. And I'm just gonna stir that up. And this is how it looks so far. So I tried the Charli Drink so far, and it isn't sweet enough, so I'm gonna add in a little bit of sugar, about 1/4 teaspoon. And the last ingredient is some ice. You can add in as much ice as you want. I'm just gonna add in as much until it fills the drink. And this is the final result. This is how the drink should look like. And now I'm just gonna put on the lid. And now the Charli Drink is complete. Now for a taste test. It tastes really good. You guys should definitely try this out. It tastes just like the Charli Drink, and it is even a little bit better. By the way, if the drink isn't sweet enough for you, you can always add more caramel or more sugar in the drink. So if you want to make the Charli Drink at home, I'd highly recommend trying this recipe out. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and it'd be super duper awesome if you'd subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.